How to edit on CapCut. First of all, open CapCut on your PC and you can bring in any videos. So the basic layout of a CapCut is this. On the left hand corner, you can see media and you can just go ahead and tap on it and bring in media. You can record or import the media, and there are sub-projects and there are all medias, libraries and everything you can explore. So you can bring in all of the videos which are free and some are pro version as well. So beside that, there is something called audio. You can bring in the audio which has been used by other users as well. You can add in text. You can edit the video by keeping in your text. You can see there are a lot of text options over here. And then there are something called stickers. So you can see that there are a lot of stickers you can add into your video. It's quite easy to add in. All you need to do is just go ahead and drag and drop it over here. So as you drop it and as you go to the video, or you can see at the bottom that the sticker will be applied. So to edit it, it's quite easy as well. You can just go ahead and drag it, minimize it according to your wish. The next thing is effects. Effects is quite important. While you're editing, you can add in the effects of your wish and the video will be in the same display. So as soon as you do this, you can see the video editing will be quite easier. So you can extend it like this to the timeline and you can see other things like transitions, caption, filters and adjustments. So these are the things which is quite important while editing. So talking about the video, you can just go ahead and tap on the file you have kept in and you can see on the right hand side there are options of video, audio, speed, animation, adjustments and AI stylizing. So these are some few ways you can edit your CapCut videos and publish it as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.